Imagine walking down a street, and every few steps, there's a vending machine. Not one, not two, thousands. Welcome to Japan. Japan has over 4 million vending machines nationwide. That's roughly one for every 30 people. But here's the crazy part. They don't just sell drinks. You can buy hot meals, umbrellas, neckties, batteries, even fresh eggs. Some machines serve hot coffee in winter and ice-cold tea in summer, automatically adjusting to the season. So why does Japan have so many? Low crime rates mean machines rarely get vandalized. High population density makes them profitable. And advanced technology keeps them energy efficient and constantly stocked. But here's the real reason. In Japan, convenience isn't a luxury. It's a cultural expectation. And vending machines aren't just machines. They're part of daily life. Subscribe to X Facts World for more mind-blowing country facts.